2024 is indeed turning out to be a very interesting year for those looking to purchase a foldable smartphone in India. We began the year with the launch of a brand new model from Vivo called the X Fold 3 Pro, which was then followed by Samsung's yearly update called the Galaxy Z Fold 6. While we wait for Google's Pixel 9 Pro Fold to show up, OnePlus has decided to bring a new variant of its currently available book-style foldable, the Open, to India. It's called the OnePlus Open Apex Edition, and here's all you need to know about it. The OnePlus Open Apex Edition, despite being given a separate moniker, is mostly just another variant. It has this incredibly stylish crimson red vegan leather rear panel that feels just as premium and unique as the Voyager Black variant we reviewed last year. The frame now has a mirror-like chrome finish, which is available with the Emerald Dusk variant of the phone. While the Apex Edition is identical in terms of dimensions and design when compared to the regular model, there is one design change, and that's mainly to do with the alert slider. The alert slider has a slightly different design and takes inspiration from Oppo's Find X7 Ultra, which we reviewed recently. It has an orange accent and a new diamond pattern grip, which I found easier to operate. This new alert slider design also gets a new additional function. Switch the slider to the top position and you will now see a new VIP mode. This basically disables all permissions given for the mics and the cameras, ensuring better privacy for those who need it. The first time we used this feature was on Oppo's Find X7 Ultra. So why are there so many Oppo features on this OnePlus smartphone? Well, that's because this is a rebranded Oppo Find N3 Collector's Edition, which was launched in China last year. Moving on, the OnePlus Open Apex Edition also gets more storage. While a standard model gets you a maximum 512GB of internal storage, the Apex Edition gets 1TB of internal storage along with 16GB RAM. Alongside the 67W charger and charging cable, you will also find a better case in the box. It's definitely made of better quality plastic compared to the lanky one that arrives with the standard model. This one also fits better and has a nice color match port protector at the bottom. The rest of the phone remains the same as before. This includes its cameras, battery capacity, and software, which with recent updates has also added some AI image editing features. And that kind of puts it in a tough spot as the competing smartphones now offer better hardware and slimmer form factors along with bigger displays. And that's all you need to know about the OnePlus Open Apex Edition. Will you be upgrading to a foldable this year? Sound off in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to us for all things tech.